So hello, everyone. My name is Lucia Schulz with the Center for Rural Affairs once more.
And hi, everyone. I'm Eunice Ramirez also from Center for Rural Affairs.
So thanks for coming and listening to us for a little bit. What we wanted to do, we wanted to let you know of some upcoming events. We are going to have a couple of events, one with explore farming and the other one for water and garden soil testing, which that's with the EPA, with the Environmental Protection Agency services. So we kicked off these wonderful events off in West Point, and then we followed it up with in Columbus at Glur Park this past weekend. So just to tell you a little bit more about what they are about, the explore farming is some resources to be able to start your own farm business. And sometimes starting a farm business or any business could be daunting and sometimes confusing, and it's kind of hard to know where to navigate. So this workshop will offer such information, and also the attendees will learn where to start in the process, how to develop the skills for farming, but also other resources in the form of where to find the finances needed to be able to get the funding to be able to start the business. And the resources that we're going to be offering are all bilingual. But also my coworker, Eunice, is going to be doing the water and garden soil testing. Eunice, can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, so I will be doing the second part of this, and it is through our Environmental Protection Services, our EPA workshop. Our focus is to provide water and garden soil testing for rural Latino families, farmers, and ranchers. Our goal is to improve participants' understanding of water and soil contamination. After the event, participants will not only know how to properly submit a water or soil sample, but they will be able to read and understand these results. Lucia, let's tell them where they're going to be held at.
That would be great. Yes, of course. So our upcoming one is going to be in Lexington. It's going to be coming up on August 15th. That's going to be on a Sunday. And so both events are going to be from 2 to 4. And so there, we're going to provide the necessary resources, like I was telling you before. And I know there's another one that you're planning as far as another water and soil testing. Are you not, Eunice?
Yes, because Lucia, you're right. Due to popular demand, we had such a big number in West Point that we are planning another water and soil testing at West Point. So stay tuned for that upcoming event. You can find that and other events going on our CFRA website or throughout our Facebook group.
That sounds really exciting. But just to add to that, we're planning on another event coming in September, and this is partnering up with Lincoln University Cooperative Extension in Missouri. So the center is going to be partnering up, and we're going to be offering a 12-week farming boot camp in Spanish. This program's goal is to enhance agribusiness entrepreneurship and marketing strategies, not only among new Latino farmers, but also beginning Latino farmers in Missouri and Nebraska. So this program will be helping farmers to increase an understanding of the farm as a business unit. It aims to help farmers to develop the agribusiness plan for the farm to reach high value markets. In addition, each participant will have a mentor assigned as part of the training to help them out, creating a personal agribusiness and also a marketing plan.
Lucia, this sounds like an amazing event. Lucia, please share with us the benefits of attending this training.
Of course, these events are important because they're not only going to educate the community members, but also they'll be able to reach out to find, or to find the resources needed in where they're going to be available. But if you do not find those resources available, then what we would love is to hear from you via an email or phone call, see if you needed some more additional information.
As you can see, our Latino farming team has been pretty busy working with different communities, and we are organizing and scheduling even more events for the fall, so stay tuned. So for more information, You know that you can find us at our website at the cfra.org or through our Facebook group as well. So thank you so much for your time today. Nice seeing you.
Bye-bye, everyone.